Earlier, you learned how to control a car's motion to make it speed up, change directions, and stop. Now, you'll learn how to put all those motions together when turning, backing, and parking. Let's start with turning. As you approach a turn, remember that you have more than a ton of weight wanting to continue straight ahead, and only the front tires working to turn it where you want to go. When you go too fast, the tires lose their grip on the road. Approaching a turn, you're better off going too slow than too fast. Going 1 mile per hour too fast into a turn can be disastrous. But going 1 mile per hour too slow into a turn is no big deal. You can always accelerate a bit more if you need to. When approaching an intersection, signal 3 to 4 seconds ahead of the turn and check traffic to the rear. Scan all corners for traffic controls and for traffic in all directions, and keep in mind that most collisions occur at intersections when 2 or more drivers attempt to occupy the same space at the same time. Also, at intersections with traffic lights, you must be able to complete your turn before the light turns red. At some point, you'll likely need to reverse your direction. If it's impractical to drive around the block to reverse your direction, you can consider performing a 2-point turn. Backing into an alley or driveway is the safest method. You first signal and then move close to and parallel to the curb or edge of the road and stop safely. If the driveway is clear, you check traffic, shift to reverse, and move slowly back until the rear bumper of your vehicle reaches the near edge of the driveway. Then, turn the steering wheel sharply to the right. As you enter the driveway, straighten the wheels and stop as the front of your vehicle clears the edge of the road. Then shift to drive, signal, check traffic in both directions, and enter the proper lane. Heading into a driveway or alley and then backing into the street is a second option, but this technique is riskier because the driver is forced to back into traffic. Even if you have these techniques down, it's always better to take advantage of a nearby controlled intersection to reverse direction rather than making a 2-point turn.